on a deep, very, very human level, we get something out of being in the wilderness. There's like a spiritual part of it. When you're in addiction, this like deeper human experience in nature, super restorative, it's super powerful. The founders of Shunda Creek have been doing adventure therapies for over 30 years now. We give guys opportunities to have these incredible adventures that are healing and restorative and help them create this new life or figure out who they are or who they want to be. Do that in a way that also is collaborative, that's empowering to the guys who come out here. Because we're a 90-day program, often guys will have tried other stuff before they come here. Guys are facing what feels like the end of the road. In addiction, this feeling of disconnection, being isolated, slowly and sometimes quickly losing all of the things about you that you like, losing all the relationships that are important to you. We have a chance to change or alleviate some of this deep, deep suffering that feels like it's never going to go away. So we can help guys work through this disease that puts them into the depths of despair and isolation, and we can help them as they climb out of that. Everyone goes through recovery differently, and we need programs that meet people where they're at. Having a program that's based in the wilderness is going to help guys that a city program doesn't help. This one feels like really special, and I like really believe that it's a necessary one. The program that we built out here is really like helping to push the field of adventure therapy forwards. And that what we're seeing in the results is this better relationships, lower distress levels, an easier time dealing with mental health stuff when it comes up. 10 years ago, I was in the same place as the clients out here and came out to Shunda. And now that I'm a staff, I get to help guys go through something similar. I remember showing up and feeling this small amount of hope that something was going to work, and that grew as I spent time out here, and it grew from hope to confidence that I would be able to recover and that I'd be able to live this healthy life.